Hey guys, so today I'm here with my go-to full coverage makeup routine. Here I'm starting with a bare face. The only thing I've done beforehand is fill in my brows, and I will link my brow tutorial below if you want to see the easy way that I do them. Now before applying makeup, you always want to make sure your skin is hydrated. You don't want to put makeup on top of dry, rough skin. That's just a no-no. So I'm using a little Clinique Moisture Surge to ready my face. Next, I'm going to even out my skin with the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation. And what I like to do with this is pour some out onto a damp makeup sponge, dab it all over my face, and then buff it all in until I have a nice, even finish. I also go over my eyelids as well and up into my hairline so that my face is all one seamless color. For the eyes, I'm using this glow kit, and for my everyday look, I keep it super simple with just one shade. So I'm using the shade called Bronzed, and I'm sweeping that going from my outer edge and working it inwards. And I'm also going to apply that to the lids as well, just to give a really subtle wash of color all over my eye. And this light bronzy brown works really well for that. Smudging that same color along the bottom to help define the shape of my eyes, just a very soft definition. Then using a black liquid liner, this one is by e.l.f. I'm going to line my upper lash line. So I'm extending the line up and out from the corner, then line it really thinly across. I'm not making a really thick line, just something to make my eyes stand out. I have pretty small eyes, so this just helps them to look a little bigger, more open. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my upper and lower lashes. My lashes are absolutely pitiful, so unfortunately mascara is not enough for me. I'm going to use some falsies, but I am applying mascara first to help them blend in with the falsies that I'm about to apply. And for my false lashes, I'm using these Demi Wispies. These are really good everyday lashes. They're not too much, just enough to nicely frame the eye. And you know, a good lash situation just makes the whole eye look come together. So I love my falsies. I cannot live without them because otherwise my eyelashes look non-existent. All right, back to the face. I'm going to conceal using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I pretty much just use this under my eyes to brighten up and smooth out that area. So using the same makeup sponge from earlier, I'm going to blend that out. Adding a slightly lighter concealer color here really makes your face look more fresh, more vibrant, more awake. So that's why I like adding that concealer right there under my eyes. Then I'm going to set my face with the Cover FX translucent powder to help give a flawless, smooth finish and take away the shine from the foundation and concealer. So I'm popping that right on top of where I applied the concealer. Also on my chin and on my forehead, and then gently sweep that away. And this powder is really good. I used to use the Laura Mercier powder, and that was like my staple. But ever since I got the Cover FX powder a few months back, it has completely replaced it. It's the only one I use now, so I definitely recommend this powder. I really, really like it. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to go back to Bronzed and use that to lightly contour and bring some definition into my face, help my features pop and all that. So I'm sweeping that right under my cheekbones. Then with a smaller brush, brushing that right along my bridge. Then blend that out a bit with my fingers so the line isn't super harsh. Going back into that palette, I'm taking Summer to use as my highlight. I'm going to place that on the area right above my cheeks so I get a nice, healthy, radiant glow going and such. A little on my nose and right there on the Cupid's bow. I also like to pop some of that into my inner corners because I really like how it brightens and highlights the eyes. For my lips, I'm using Whirl by MAC, which is a nice mauvey color, and I'm gonna line all around my lips with that. Then with this lip cream in Cairo, gonna apply that all over. I've been wearing this for the longest. It's one of my holy grail products. I use it so much, and you will likely be seeing me use it again in future videos. So yeah, I use it a lot. And then on top of that, to smooth it all out, I'm using this pink gloss by Sephora. Add a little shine and glitz. Finish it all off with a setting spray for the perfect hydrated finish. And then I'm just going back over my lower lashes really quick to bring them back out. And that is my full coverage makeup routine. So this is my go-to look that I wear all the time whenever I want a soft glam full face that is daytime appropriate. Very versatile. I can wear this pretty much anywhere. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.